VEVOR Commercial Ice Maker Machine Review. 130 pounds daily. Self-cleaning. Always ready.
The VEVOR Commercial Ice Maker Machine is a self-contained stainless steel ice production unit that sits under your counter or stands freely in your kitchen, bar, or cafe and quietly produces up to 130 pounds of ice every single day. It holds 33 pounds in its insulated storage bin, runs a full self-cleaning cycle with a single button press, and lets you choose between thick or thin cubes depending on what you are serving. Whether you are managing a home bar, running a small restaurant, or simply tired of buying bags of ice every summer weekend, this machine fits naturally into daily life without complicated setup or guesswork. Imagine never scrambling for ice right before guests arrive again. That reality is exactly what this machine delivers.
Here are the wins that matter most in everyday use. Speed comes first, up to 45 cubes per cycle, produced roughly every 12 to 15 minutes, means your bin refills continuously without any effort on your part. Next is storage that holds its ground. The 33-pound insulated bin keeps ice cold for several hours, so what the machine produces does not disappear quickly in warm conditions. Third is near silent operation. The compressor runs at or below 50 decibels, which means it comfortably lives inside a home bar, small office, or restaurant without becoming disruptive background noise across a long shift. Here is where it gets interesting. The self-cleaning function completes a full 20-minute rinse cycle with just a 3-second button press, and the removable water tray lifts out for deeper cleaning whenever needed. ETL and Energy Star certification provides independent verification for both electrical safety and energy efficiency. That combination is genuinely difficult to find at this level.
Picture a small cafe on a busy summer morning. The owner used to drive to the shop every 2 days for bagged ice. Some days the delivery ran late. Some days the bin ran dry during the lunch rush, and rationing ice during peak service hours created its own quiet, grinding frustration. After installing the VEVOR Commercial Ice Maker Machine under the service counter, the honest first reaction was mild skepticism. Would a machine at this price point actually maintain pace with real demand? Within the first complete shift, the storage bin was full before the morning rush started and stayed comfortably manageable throughout the day. The LED display made monitoring straightforward for staff who had never operated an ice maker before. That turning point, the first full day the owner never once thought about ice supply, is when the value of this machine became genuinely undeniable. After testing a few options, one thing became clear fairly quickly. Don't just pick any commercial ice maker. Make sure it has a self-cleaning function combined with insulated storage, so you never waste your time dealing with constant manual maintenance and rapid ice melt again. The VEVOR Commercial Ice Maker Machine addresses both directly. The patented removable water tray and automatic 20-minute rinse cycle handle internal hygiene without requiring ongoing effort. The 0.79-inch thick insulation meaningfully extends holding time, so the ice produced in the early morning hours remains usable well into the afternoon rush. Users report tangible, real daily benefits. One verified buyer documented saving $3 to $4 daily by completely eliminating bagged ice purchases, with the machine paying for itself within the first season of use. A coffee shop owner described it as a genuine daily lifesaver. A long-term buyer reported reliable continuous operation for over 14 months without a single problem. ETL and Energy Star certification adds independent third-party verification behind those claims. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for capacity, 2 for quiet operation, or 3 for low maintenance. The shift here is simple and real. You stop buying bags of ice, stop running out at the worst possible moment, and stop managing it entirely. Thousands of home bar owners, cafe operators, and families already rely on the VEVOR Commercial Ice Maker Machine every single day. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your space. The link is in the description and pinned comment. You deserve a setup that just works.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.